Sa palagay ko, and I've advised this to a lot of my corporate accounts, no, na may mga paraan for you to show that you really care, no, not just paying what is or what you're obligated, which is the retirement pay, no. For example, if your program is not registered in BIR and the employee receives the retirement paycheck, the employee actually is obligated to pay income tax doon sa nakuha niyang retirement paycheck. So ito yung nagiging advice ko sa mga decision makers, no, na kung nagtagal naman itong employee sa iyo and you want to reward the loyalty and the tenure and the many years that they have helped you grow your business, no, why not cover the income tax for them? Ikaw
La,
nang
la,
magbayad, oo, kasi maliit na porsyento lang actually yan eh, with regards to, of course, depending on the retirement, the amount of retirement pay they'll be receiving, no? Pero maliit na porsyento lang yan. So bakit hindi mo na lang i-cover? And they all agree, no, na you know what, weighing everything, no, having the flexibility of knowing where your money is and knowing when you can pull it out even if it's not for a retiree, no, kahit na sabihin mong hindi ko na i-submit to as a business expense, hence walang tax deduction, pero ang daming benefits na natatanggap ng business itself and ng business owner. So ba't hindi ko suklian, no,
yeah.
ito by rewarding my retirees and covering their income tax when the time comes.
Kung kinita naman yun ng investment, Miss Janet, di ba? Pwede nilang i-cover.
That's right, that's right.
Yeah.
And with a responsible financial planner working with you, definitely magkakaroon ng positive ROI ang mga savings ninyo.
That's correct.
Ayan.